What is ChatGPT? Imagine a super smart computer program you can chat with in plain English. It understands your questions and responds in a way that often feels human, but it's more than just a chatbot. It can write essays, summarize articles, brainstorm ideas, and even help with coding. This technology is powered by a large language model, or LLM, trained on billions of words from books, articles, and websites. Instead of thinking like a person, it predicts the most likely words to form a relevant answer. Why should you care? Because ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can save you time and boost your creativity. Need a professional email in seconds, or a summary of a long report? ChatGPT can help. For students, it's an interactive tutor. For professionals, it's a productivity booster. For writers, it's a creative partner. AI like ChatGPT isn't a passing trend, it's here to stay and getting better all the time. Mastering it is quickly becoming as essential as knowing how to use a search engine. Understanding how to use ChatGPT opens up new ways to learn, create, and solve problems. The benefits are huge, whether you're in school, at work, or just curious. The key is learning how to use it well. In this video, we'll show you how to get the most out of ChatGPT. Let's dive in. The number one rule for using ChatGPT: be clear and specific. Vague prompts lead to vague answers. Take a moment to define your goal before you type. Break your request into clear parts and provide as much detail as possible. Context is crucial. If you want a summary, give the document or background. If you need an email, explain the purpose, recipient, and tone. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Use follow-up questions and refine your prompts. Tell ChatGPT exactly how to improve its response. Ask for more detail, a different tone, or a simpler explanation. Try assigning it a role. Act as a travel agent and plan a family trip to Rome, or explain relativity to a 10-year-old. Giving ChatGPT a persona helps it tailor its answers to your needs. The more specific you are, the better the results. Think of it as a conversation. Guide it toward what you want. Practice makes perfect, so experiment with different approaches. You'll quickly see how much more useful ChatGPT can be. What makes a bad prompt? Being too brief or too general? Write a story or tell me about marketing gives ChatGPT too many options and leads to generic answers. Ambiguous language is another pitfall. Be clear about what you want. A good prompt is specific. Explain content marketing to a small business owner with 3 actionable tips for improving their online presence. Notice the difference? You've defined the topic, audience, and format. The same goes for technical help. Fix my code isn't enough. Instead, say, I'm getting a null pointer exception in this Java code on line 23 when accessing "userdata.getName." Can you help me find the cause and suggest a fix? The more details you provide, the better ChatGPT can help. Always include the context, your goal, and any relevant information. This saves time and leads to much more useful answers. Think before you prompt. What exactly do you want? Clear instructions are the secret to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential. Avoid the common pitfalls and you'll get great results. ChatGPT is a game changer at work. Draft emails, create meeting agendas, summarize reports, and brainstorm ideas in seconds. It's like having a fast, tireless assistant for all your writing and planning needs. For students, it's a personal tutor, explaining tough concepts, generating practice quizzes, or helping with language learning. Stuck on a project? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm or break down complex topics. Creatives can use it to co-write stories, generate D&D adventures, or come up with comic strip ideas. It's a spark for your imagination and a tool for creative expression. Need a recipe with what's in your fridge, planning a trip, writing a thank you note? ChatGPT can help with everyday tasks too. The possibilities are endless. Any task involving text, ideas, or information can be made easier. Start thinking of ChatGPT as your go-to assistant for work, learning, and fun. The more you use it, the more you'll discover what it can do. It's all about experimenting and finding what works for you. Let ChatGPT help you get more done, and enjoy the process. Want to get good at ChatGPT? Practice is key. Try different prompts, experiment, and learn what works best. Every interaction helps you get better at crafting effective instructions. But always remember online safety. Never share sensitive personal info in your prompts. Treat your conversations as semi-public, and know the privacy policies of the AI service you use. AI is evolving fast. New features and improvements are released all the time. Stay curious and keep learning about the latest updates. Follow trusted sources to stay informed and use ChatGPT responsibly. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful, versatile tool. Clear, specific prompts and a willingness to iterate are the keys to success. Use it for work, study, and creativity. And always practice safe online habits. With practice, you'll unlock its full potential. The future of human-AI collaboration is just beginning. Get ready for an exciting journey.